If you're trying to become a general contractor in Florida, there are 6 steps you'll need to follow. Let's take it one step at a time so nothing gets missed. Step 1. Choose your business structure. Before you can even apply for a license, you need to set up your business. This just means deciding how your company will be legally organized. Most small contractors go with an LLC, that's a limited liability company, because it offers some protection for your personal assets and keeps taxes pretty simple. But you can also choose a sole proprietorship, a partnership, or even a corporation. If you're not sure what's best for you, it might help to talk to a tax advisor or someone who specializes in small business setup. Step 2. Make sure you meet the basic requirements. Now that your business is set up, it's time to see if you qualify for the license itself. You have to be at least 18 years old, legally allowed to work in the US, and have a clean criminal record, meaning no serious offenses that would disqualify you. You'll also need experience in construction. For a general contractor license in Florida, that usually means 4 years of hands-on experience. But if you've gone to school for construction or a related field, you can use some of those college credits to count toward the 4 years. Just make sure the experience or education matches the type of work you'll be doing. Step 3. Take and pass the licensing exam. Once you've confirmed that you meet the experience requirements, the next big step is the exam. You'll start by applying through a company called Professional Testing, Inc. They'll check that you're eligible to take the test. After you're approved, you'll book your exam through Pearson VUE, which runs testing centers across Florida. The exam is pretty detailed. It covers building codes, construction laws, project management, and safety regulations. So it's smart to prepare. There are plenty of online courses and study guides. Step 4. Submit your license application. Once you pass the exam, you'll need to apply for your license through the Florida Department of Business and Professional Regulation. Most people just call it the DBPR. You'll go to their website, choose the general contractor license, and fill out the application. You'll also upload documents like proof of experience, exam scores, and insurance info. And you'll pay a fee. Double-check everything before you hit submit. If something's missing, the DBPR will send it back for corrections, and that could slow things down. Step 5. Get your insurance in place. Before they issue your license, the state wants to make sure you're insured. You'll need general liability insurance and property damage coverage. The amount depends on the kind of work you plan to do, so check the current requirements to be sure you have enough coverage. If you're going to have employees, you'll also need workers' compensation insurance. If it's just you working alone, you may be able to file for an exemption. Either way, you'll need to get that taken care of within 30 days of getting your license. Also, check your city or county. Some places have extra requirements for bonding or insurance. Step 6. Keep your license active. Once your license is approved, you're good to go, but you do need to keep it active. That means renewing it every 2 years, making sure your insurance is still valid, and updating any changes to your business info. Most contractors also need to complete continuing education, usually around 14 hours, every 2 years. These are short courses that help you stay up to date with rules, safety, and best practices. You can usually do them online at your own pace. And that's it.